Race family, guys, welcome back to another video. We're at Bradenton Motorsports Park. This weekend is Streetcar Takeover, but we're actually heading today. Today is Thursday. We're heading today right next door. Today's the first day that they're opening the Freedom Factory to the public.
Red button, you ready? Whoa!
Guys, great turnout, man. Great turnout.
Hey, race family!
Come on, my friend.
What's up, man? Oh, this thing's so cool.
Ain't it awesome?
But I haven't actually been on this track since I was 6 years old.
Wow.
I grew up around here. And man, being out here is just nostalgia.
Yeah. I like that.
It is a great place to be.
Race family, guys, any day around cars at a racetrack, it's a magical day, man. This is a really neat track.
Beautiful facility.
Race family, guys, welcome back to another video. We're here today with our motorhome, our trailer, our dog, and my two girls, my wife and daughter, guys. We're at Bradenton Motorsports Park. This weekend is Streetcar Takeover, but we're actually heading today. Today is Thursday. We're heading today right next door. Oh boy, I see a giraffe here. It's probably some sort of joke for Cleetus. Guys, next door, today's the first day that they're opening the Freedom Factory to the public. I don't think I can see the giraffe fully from here, but today's the first day they're opening the Freedom Factory to the public. We've brought the Jeep with us. I haven't even bothered starting it since last week at the drag strip when we saw the blow by and the hurt engine. I got some news for you guys coming on a later video as to what we're all doing with the Jeep. As far as an engine upgrade, I can already say it's on its way. I'll have it next week, Tuesday, but I'll give you guys more information maybe once it gets here or as I know more. Guys, there's crews on next door. Check out this Freedom Factory.
Red button, you ready? Whoa! Okay, cuenta 1, 2, 3. One more time, cuenta. Whoa! What's up, brother? How's it going?
This you too?
Yeah, man.
Oh, shit.
I recently got this. We got the dyno pass. I don't know where we should park.
So, see that Tahoe right there?
Yeah.
Just park right behind him.
Got it. Thank you. Wow, this is a lot steeper than I thought. Right? Guys, great turnout, man. Great turnout. Yeah, but you got flag me. All set? Thank you, brother. Hey, race family!
Come on, my friend.
What's up, man? Oh, this thing's so cool.
Ain't it awesome?
Yeah.
2,500 pounds.
Dude, so
Small
cool.
wheelbase. Total
Oh,
depth
you're right.
track. It's getting after it quick. Won a 14.4 and 15 days later won an 11.4.
Probably a lot easier to run than the Supra.
We'll get it in the
A lot less work.
Oh yeah. Guys, here's our beautiful daughter. Dile hi, guys. Dile race family.
Yeah. You know,
Guys, here goes Cooper Brugetti. Check out his channel, man. We ordered your merchandise the other day.
Dude,
I got myself
hell yeah,
the Inline
appreciate
6
that, man.
shirt. Yeah, man.
That's a good one.
Yeah,
I
that's
figured you'd
badass.
like that one.
Yeah, this is a freaking neat turnout. The lighting is freaking awesome.
Dude, came
This
around
is
really
beautiful.
quickly. Yep. It's a great turnout in here. It's really cool to be
So guys,
on the track.
this is the brand new concrete pad, huh?
Brand new,
Sheesh.
well used,
Yeah.
well used.
Yeah, this is a huge accomplishment from him. Happy.
Hey,
That little fist pump.
there you go.
So silly as a broom broom.
And you got the camera out because you knew she was gonna get scared.
¿Dónde está un Supra como papá? ¿Dónde está? Where is it? Look, Lonnie! There it is, como de papa. What's up, guys? Beautiful car, man.
Thanks, man.
Mira, Lonnie. Mira, Lonnie, look.
Hey, is that the Baltic one?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm like, I know that guy.
Look at her head, though. So many broom brooms.
I should walk there.
Yeah.
Looks like you're kidnapped.
Would you look at that? We're same size now. Race family, guys. Any day around cars at a racetrack, it's a magical day, man. This is a really, really neat track. I was saying earlier, I'm walking this. I'm walking the ground now, guys, and I'm looking at the camera, and on the video it looks like this is pretty level, but this is heavily banked, man. I don't know if you can see it like that. So badass. Wow, that one has lights. Oh yeah! Number one. Mama is so crazy. Dilo tú.
Mama so crazy.
Again. Woohoo! Someone's having a good hair day.
I love that you have a little seat for her.
Yes, she rides with us.
You don't have to drive far tonight, do you?
No. We trailered it here from West Palm, the East Coast.
Okay.
We parked our trailer at Bradenton and we drove it over here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's too cold out.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was like, you guys have to drive back home and
This is last Friday at the track.
Oh shoot, you were walking that beast. But I haven't actually been on this track since I was 6 years old.
Wow.
I grew up around here. And man, being out here is just nostalgia.
Yeah. I like
It
that.
is a
I like
great
that.
place to be.
You're silly.
All right, guys, we've had an awesome time. It is crazy cold. Guys, tell us cold is 50 degrees. I think the phone's saying 50 feels like 48 or something like that. 48 degrees in Florida with this humidity feels like a lot. So we've had an awesome time. We met a lot of really cool guys, really cool people. Beautiful facility. Woo. All right, guys, it's way too cold now. It's getting colder and colder. It's in the 40s now, well into the 40s. The Freedom Factory is beautiful. The turnout was awesome, man. Tomorrow starts Streetcar Takeover. My goal is to have the Supra ready for this event. I'm still waiting on some parts, so the Supra is not ready, but the main focus is to get the Supra ready for Texas 2K. We still have about 6 weeks for that. So there'll be videos on the Supra shortly, guys. There'll be news on the Jeep shortly. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Always family first, man. I love bringing my little girl out here. She had a blast. You guys will see funny little clips of her dancing and having a good time. Love hanging out with my wife. Love meeting other gearheads. That's what it's all about. Tonight, we're gonna spend the night here at the racetrack. We're gonna spend the next few nights here at the racetrack in our motorhome. We won't be racing, but just spectating, filming for you guys, and having an awesome time. And hopefully very soon, man. Hopefully in the next few weeks, we'll have the Jeep back competing, right? Our goal is to get this thing into the 9s. We got to hit the 10s first, but ultimately, if I can get this thing running 9s and the Supra bottom 7s, woo, that'll be fun. So thank you guys all for tuning in. We're getting really close to 50,000 subscribers, race family, so thank you guys all so much for the support. Catch you guys in the next video. Later.